ready to go to the beach?
I'm almost ready. I'm coming, Mama.
Okay. Anna, where did you go? Anna. Anna. Okay, I don't know where. I think Big Sister already went out. Oh, yeah. What are you doing all day? Come on.
I'm at the beach.
Oh, you're at the beach already?
Yes.
Oh, you didn't.
I just flew down the balcony.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to dress up for the beach as well. Okay. Okay, so just let's see, what am I gonna wear?
Ah, there's a shark!
Yeah. There's no sharks.
Oh, that's just a fake shark.
Oh, I need to save this outfit. I'm just gonna put it blue. Yeah, okay. So now I want to wear a swim outfit. Sailor
Whoa, some of the
outfit.
waves.
Girls, behave down there. Okay, let's see, what outfit am I gonna wear?
Mommy, help! I'm drowning!
You know how to swim. Stop trying to make me come in the water. And I'm not even there yet. So, yeah, you can't fool me. Not that foolable. Try fooling someone else, but not me. Okay, yeah, okay. I have to get my jacket. And I need to get rid of my wings. And I am all ready for the beach. Okay, girls. Okay.
Yes, Mommy?
I'm in the pool right now. Okay, let me check. Okay.
I'm
How are
just
you
in the deep end right now.
What did I tell you, girls? I'm in the pool with my high heels. I need to take off my high heels. Okay. Girls, where are you? Okay.
I'm in
Can I
the
stay?
deep end.
Okay, you can stay in the pool. I'm just gonna go check on your sister, Anna.
I'm all the way at the deep end if you want me.
Where are you? I need to swim now. Oh, look at those big waves. Okay. Why is there fire? There's fire right there? Okay, that's weird. Okay, I'm just gonna get a... Let me swim. Girl, where are you, Sarah? I'm swimming.
Just dancing.
Where are you?
I'm really far.
Where, when you say far, okay. So you know how to swim really well, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, I did not know that.
I see you, Mommy.
What
I'm
are you
here just dancing.
What are you sitting on?
Floaty.
Floaty. Okay, well, Mama, I'm gonna come down. Okay. Oh, okay. Come on. Oh, hello, Anna. You swim all the way over here, too? Okay, well. Look how beautiful it is. Girls, do you want to go back on land?
No, I want to stay at the pool.
This is the beach. The pool's over there.
Oh, well, I want to stay
Okay,
at
I'm
the
gonna
beach.
go sit and relax. You guys can swim.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay. Okay, let's just go.
I have something in my phone that I found in the water.
Okay, sweetheart. If you guys need anything, come over here, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Where are you, Mommy? I need your help.
All ready, sweetheart?
Yes. I can't.
What?
There's too much waves and I can't get back. Yeah.
Okay, well, you can come back, okay?
And I forgot my ways where I have to go.
Just swim forward. Ask your sister to help you.
Okay.
I just found her out. Guys, go do stuff. I might take a little nap on this chair.
Okay, Mom.
Girls, are you back yet?
I'm coming.
How long have I been sleeping for?
Maybe like an hour.
An hour? I'm just relaxing, girls. Come on.
I wanna go play in the sand.
Okay. Any of you hungry yet?
I'm hungry.
Well, okay. You're hungry?
I want gum.
Well, okay. You're not gonna get any gum. Okay, so go get something to eat, or do you want me to get you something? Food. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go get some food.
Yeah, you go get me food. I'm just gonna play in the sand.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go, Anna. Let's go. Sweetheart, wait up a minute.
I'm gonna throw this in the water.
Take anything you would like, sweetheart.
I found this in the water. I'm gonna throw it back in the water.
I'm just gonna make a smoothie real quick. Oh wait. Make a smoothie. I know I did. Okay, I don't know how to make a smoothie. Well, that's all good news. Okay, yeah, that's all good. Here are the bananas over here. Okay. There's more feet over here. Sweetheart, what are you doing? Okay, let me.
Mama, where are you, Mama?
What are you?
I thought.
Mommy, I have to go to school. Oh yeah.
Mama,
You have school?
where's Mama?
You have to go to school, sweetheart? Oh. Back at home. Oh no. Your brother still hasn't came back from school. Oh. We're gonna miss you. Bye. Okay. Sarah, your sister left. Are you sad?
I'm sad. I want to play with her in the sand.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. Well, it's fine. Guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. It wasn't the best when sister had to go back to school, but that's okay. Do you have anything to tell the viewers?
I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and give a huge big thumbs up. Bye.